Now we are having Ms. Tanupriya from MBA third semester.
Hello everyone. To welcome all my freshers in ICFI University Jharkhand. As due to this pandemic situation, I know that we are meeting here virtually, but I hope that things will go well and we will meet in university campus as soon as possible. So I am Tanu and I'm currently in MBA semester 3rd. And if I talk about my experience I had in college, so that is just amazing. I don't know that how this 1.5 year passed in university. I just learned a lot and I developed myself in so many ways, and all the credit goes to my faculty members and professors who support me all through my journey in university. So the teachers are so friendly and motivating that they just don't help you out in your academies, but also to take part in co-curriculum activities and also in your area of interest. As I'm also having an interest in literature and writing, and because of the teachers support and the university, my first writing is published by the university itself, and I'm very thankful to the university for that. And as we all know that in this pandemic situation, all the schools, colleges and even the corporate sector is closed, but our university managed to provide us online internships, as I got my internship in an IT based company which is in Bangalore, Nil Advantage Technologies, where I'm now working on a HR project which is a paid project. So I'm working from home and also earning, and all thanks to my faculty guide Dr. Manish Kumar sir and our placement head Professor Sumit Sinha sir. I'm very thankful to them, and I'm immensely thankful to our Vice Chancellor sir for providing us a platform, that is Swadhyay portal, to make our study and our exams easier, and also to organizing events and competitions to always keep in touch with us, because as we never felt that we are away from our teachers or university. They are interacting us in so many ways. We celebrated Teachers Day virtually, Gandhi Jayanti virtually, and now we are also celebrating this, organizing this orientation program with you all. So thank you university, and also thankful to my parents to give me opportunity to study in this prestigious institution. So thank all of them to making this happen, to making me myself and developing me in so many ways. So thank you one and all, and hope we will meet soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Tanupriya.